Hey, I received this plant caddy as a gift so that I could put it together, show you how I use it, and show you why I like it. And so we're just going to quickly put this together and then I'm going to show you how I used it. This was very easy to put together. It comes with the main middle piece, 4 legs, and the 4 wheels. And so I'm just sliding each leg in there, and then you have a lug nut there, and we're going to show you here in a minute how the lug nuts work with this. And here it is. You loosen it and slide it out and then tighten it in the position that you want. And then of course each one comes with a wheel because it is a rolling dolly. So I'm just loosening lug nuts so that I can expand the legs. It does do a 10-inch to a 17-inch size dolly, and each little wheel has a lock there. So putting my plant on here, it does have a 500-pound limit. You could use it indoor or outdoor, and it just works really well. So I've locked it and it stays put, unlocking each leg, and it rolls really easily on those casters. It's great. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.